What?
Isaac.
Isaac, you keep doing that, I'm gonna kick you from
I
the
swear to
fucking
God, I will
game.
go to your house and I will rip that popcorn out of your fucking throat. From the other hole.
Oh, there's multiple?
Do something, bitch.
Then I'll make you eat it again. You stop.
You stop.
Don't stop. Stop it, that's gay. Wait, there's a drive-thru. I'll take a superstar, no onions, please. Helicopter, get inside, get inside.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Can I get chicken stars?
No, yes.
Dance party.
What the fuck?
You're so fast.
Yeah, I'm on 20 sensitivity. How about you say we go back to my place after this?
Oh, I say yes.
Yeah?
Hey guys.
Stop cock blocking me!
I did ask for a threesome.
Wait, that's a
I can
great idea.
Eat your ass.
Look, Isaac, you're coming with us. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I have a sniper.
Do you have a suppressor though? I don't want to give away our location.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. I'm looking at it right now.
You stupid, my nigga.
You're stupid. I may be stupid, but I'm not dumb.
Does anybody want to get anything from the store?
Get out
Do
of
they
my
have
way.
Cheez-Its? Do they have Cheez-Its?
Maybe.
Do they have
Maybe.
Cheez-Its?
It might. It might.
Oh,
Guys,
wait,
we're
I
going
got-
to store to buy Cheez-Its.
How much is the
Isaac.
self-revive?
That's not a suppressor. Earlier,
Fuck
I'm
me,
like,
silly
what?
mega masturbator.
Fuck my big black ass.
You guys look.
Fuck
From my angle, you guys look so dumb.
Yeah, and I look stupid in real life too. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, and?
So my grandpa used to whip my dad and his brothers with an extension cord. And an assortment of other things that shouldn't have been weapons, but you know, Mexican vibes. I broke all of his shield.
Get him, guys.
Oh, nice, Ivan.
Oh fuck, that's
Downing.
Nice.
headshot. Eliminated.
Sniper gun. Oh!
Beautiful.
Ivan, your left.
Fuck.
Oh no!
That was
No!
Good
Son
job.
of a bitch.
Ivan was sniping all these niggas at the
We
end.
were just fucked because they were still kind of in the circle and we were like out of the circle.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
That was fun. I think it's Ash that's using my trap. Not it's you, bitch.
No, it's
No,
me.
I'm really far behind.
You're right behind me, bitch.
Give me that ass.
Get away. No, you son of a bitch.
Stop using my trail.
Fuck you.
Oh no!
Go, fuck you. Fuck you.
Cut muffin.
Oh no, you're still
Oh shit.
ahead.
Oh no.
Bitch.
Oh.
Say it.
You
Sorry.
motherfucker.
Hi.
I'm in last.
I'll just go slow.
I'm in last now. Thanks. And that's why I'm in last. Oh!
Obviously.
Did you see
My
that?
bad.
Did you see that?
Record that.
Oh my
I
god.
was looking at you. Like,
Oh
I was
my
looking
God.
at you.
I want to close my door before my parents beat me to death. Read the back. What does it say?
Get ripped.
Talking about dude, your asshole. Let's go.
Oh no.
First thing I did was try to hit you.
I saw that coming, so I avoided it. Hey, bitch, get out of here.
I low-key bumped the wall and it shot me into you. I did. I actually didn't try hitting you right there.
We're playing dirty now,
Don't come on. I mean, come at me.
huh? We're playing dirty. You're about to get dirty.
Ah, you got one left.
I did, not gonna lie. I think I got here first though, bitch. Hey. Oh, you stole. It's okay, I got trashed also.
I don't even know what I was gonna say.
It's not there. Like shit.
Who cracked open a fucking Dr. Pepper?
Ash.
Is it actually Dr. Pepper? I'll be very impressed if I got that right.
It's a Dr. Pepper.
You motherfucker. You can just tell
God
from the
damn it.
sound and the.
No, it's because I know Ashley's favorite soda is Dr. Pepper. She always has that
It's-
shit on standby.
It is. I did.
Oh, stop it, making me wet.
Your booty.
My no-no spot. My boot. Oh,
Oh, no.
okay. You take that back right now.
I will not stand by what I said.
Alright, I'm going.
How the fuck?
Oh my god, I waited for you. You still crashed.
I didn't get enough speed, so I didn't make it.
Fuck out of here. There, I caught myself. Don't worry. Going for that ass. Bring me that ass.
Come here and get it.
Damn you!
Oh my god, that was so close. I was about to break check you too.
That was some bullshit. I let you win.
I was about to break check you too.
You should have.
That's the first time I ever won anything.